So, how you feel on this first international festival of laughing?
Yeah, I'm very excited really to be in Slovenia because it feels like an extended family. You see happy faces. There's no border, so everybody's welcome with open arms, and I really enjoy it a lot.
From where you coming and how long you are in laughter yoga?
Actually, I'm coming near Vienna, so I live in the forest a little bit outside of Vienna, and I started doing laughter yoga 1 year ago. So just 1 year ago, I'm a youngster at least in laughter yoga terms.
And what's the most important for you for your life?
Concerning laughter yoga?
Yeah.
I mean, for me, laughter yoga is perfect because it's actually good for my physical health, but also for my soul and for my brain. And what I like the most is connecting with people from other countries. So I like the international movement with other countries, like being here in Slovenia. Last month I was in Czech Republic at a laughter competition, which I made to the final. So it's really good. Last week I was in Switzerland on training. So I like traveling and seeing people who are like-minded because it's really like a family. So I enjoy it very much.
And you like gibberish too?
Oh, I love gibberish.
Yeah. What can you say in gibberish?
Ja, kanapilunga, kanapusakadu vidi vula, kinevara butsna bodola. Yeah, very mucho.
What you suggest to other people to be more happy or more healthy?
I think that the biggest problem is the fear people have. Fear of, I don't know, of everything. So I think there's nothing wrong with fear, but still doing it. So when I started doing laughter yoga, I had fear of leading a group, but I still did it. And that's the way you can grow. When you see that you've got fear, but you overcome it so you can grow. And you can see I've grown a lot.
Thank you.
I thank you very much.
And welcome again in Slovenia.
Thank you.